When we first moved here, we did our first beach cleanup within like a month. You spend so much time outdoors, you notice it more when it's not clean and taken care of.
I live here in St. Augustine Beach, and I think it's very important to save the water, save everything that we have here.
Florida is one of those few states that you can have multiple environments in, which if we clean up the trash, then we'll be able to preserve them for as long as possible.
And we're super excited to be partnering with Anker Innovations for this cleanup today. So, for those...
My name is Jen Lembrick. I am the Executive Director and Riverkeeper at Matanzas Riverkeeper. So our work includes everything from working on bills during the legislative session to better protect water quality, to taking groups of folks out onto the water to pick up trash and learn about single-use plastics.
I'm Will McEarl. I'm a Brand Partnerships Manager with Anker Innovations. So it's important for us to be able to be out here with Matanzas Riverkeeper, restoring the blue. Water is one of the few things that we all share, and so making sure that it's clean and it's safe is something that's super important to me. And so very thankful for the opportunity between both Matanzas Riverkeeper here in St. Augustine, Florida, and with Anker Innovations to be able to help clean up and sustain these waterways the best we can.
During the cleanup, we used Anker products to support on-site activities. So Anker SOLIX provided green and clean energy, the UV cams, which are powered by the sun, documented the beach cleanup process, and Soundcore and Nebula both supported the cleanup and environmental education sessions.
I think it's important to have companies and the local businesses support the local community and get people to come out and support.
And the education piece too.
Yeah.
I think the more people come out and see it and just how much it impacts it, especially the dunes over there with all that microplastic, you'll be more aware of what you're buying too.
Yeah.
So today we had a group of volunteers and we went over to Anastasia State Park to pick up microplastics. Microplastics are tiny pieces of plastics that break down when exposed to sunlight. They're very difficult to pick up, but it's important to remove them from our natural areas because when they're that small, they're often consumed by wildlife like birds and sea turtles. It's really important for large companies like Anker to bring visibility and highlight some of the issues with single-use plastic because it shows that even large companies can take really important steps to reducing the amount of plastic waste that we generate.
We're in our third year working with Oceana, who's a great partner, helping to preserve waterways. And I think one of the important things for us as someone who produces great technology products, we're responsible for making sure that everything that we produce isn't harming the environment that we inhabit as well. So being able to be out here on the beach and on the shoreline here with Matanzas Riverkeeper this weekend is just a great opportunity for us to actually put boots on the ground and do some real good for the community and the environment that we occupy.
Yeah, today was a great day because we were able to partner with Anker and the Matanzas Riverkeeper on this really great cleanup.
The thing that's most important is that Anker shares this vision and value to what they call restore the blue, and it's really what we're trying to do, restore, protect our oceans.
It's really encouraging when companies like Anker support local events like this because it brings so much visibility to the issue of plastic pollution. It also shows that there are large companies that are making meaningful steps to reducing the consumption of plastic. And so that makes me think that a world where we have less plastic waste is possible. We just all need to roll up our sleeves and work to get there.